Hi everybody, Phil here with A1 Duct Cleaning and Chimney Sweep. So today what we're doing is we're installing a chimney cap with a top damper. A top damper is basically a damper that closes the chimney from the top, and that is applied for two reasons. One is when you have a really old chimney like this one, where they actually did not install dampers in those chimneys. They came without them. Generally it's like 1930 and back, maybe even 20 and back. Or number two is if you have a problem with bees and you want to be able to use the chimney without blocking it off, you take the top damper. It's got a little cord that you pull, and when you pull it, the thing comes down. So I'm going to show you how it works. The roof is missing, but what we have here is the gasket that goes all the way around. That creates a seal. Now this is the top damper, and as you see here, this is the cord, and this cord will go down the flue. And when it goes down the flue, there's a little chain that will hook up, and we'll show you that later. But I'm gonna show you how this works. So this basically sets right on top of the chimney cap. So I'm gonna back up so you can see it. It sets on top. Now this is what happens. When you pull, this is on a spring. Will go down like this. Up, down. So basically, it'll be up like this. It's spring loaded. It pops up automatically. When you realize you don't want any air coming in or any bees coming in or whatever coming in, you just pull the cord, boom, it goes down, and then you're good to go. This is the roof here. This is what keeps the rain from coming in and also keeps really hard downdrafts. There you go. So that is a chimney cap with a top damper. Okay, so what we've done here is we've installed the bracket. And if you look, this bracket is installed into the masonry. And then you have the chain here. And what you do is you pull down, you'll hear the click, slide the chain into the slot, and your damper is shut on the top. And that is how it works at the bottom. When you want to open it up, slide it over, pops up, and now it's open.